Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Mixers Guide is probably one of the most versatile tools in any kitchen, simplifying everything from whipping cream to kneading dough. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, choosing the right mixer can significantly enhance your cooking experience. This video will explore the different types of mixers available, helping you find the perfect one to match your culinary needs and budget. Number 5. Zulay Milk Boss Frother, Handheld Electric Mixer. Are you a coffee lover? This frother gives your drinks a professional touch. You can make delicious foamy creamer at home. This mixer works great for matcha tea and coffee. It's also perfect for mixing protein powder drinks. You can give your shakes and smoothies a boost. This product is made with premium materials. The construction is built to last. It works on all types of milk, including creamer, soy, and almond milk. Cleaning is quick and easy. Just put the whisk in hot water and turn it on. It fits nicely with your other coffee accessories. We are proud of this milk frother and back it with a lifetime guarantee. If you have any issues, contact us. Order now and be assured that it will meet your expectations. What we like. This frother is perfect for those who crave a barista-style coffee experience at home. It quickly creates rich, creamy froth for your lattes and cappuccinos. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to elevate your coffee game, you should consider this. What people say. This has a stainless steel rod and a steel whisk ring, very easy to clean, and I have no worries about aluminum or other metal alloys in my food when using this. It does foam milk beautifully. Easy to use, great results, nice design. Number 4. Mueller 8-speed stainless steel handheld blender. This is the perfect tool for all your blending needs. It's slim and powerful, making it easy to mix, blend, whisk, and froth. With this immersion blender, you can quickly create smooth smoothies, whipped cream, and even perfectly beaten eggs. It makes your cooking easier. It comes with 3 easy-to-use attachments, a blending shaft for shakes and soups, a frother for all milk types, and a whisk for whipping cream or batter. These attachments make it versatile. Activate turbo mode for an extra boost of power. The ergonomic grip and non-slip handle ensure comfortable use, and the blade housing minimizes splashes. Just attach the desired accessory, plug it in, submerge the blade, and blend. Adjust the speed to your liking. Detailed instructions are included. Cleaning up is a breeze. The blending shaft, whisk, and frother are all dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. What we like. This immersion blender is a kitchen workhorse, offering multiple functions in one device. With its various attachments, it can handle everything from smoothies to soups. If you have limited kitchen space but want maximum versatility, you should consider this. What people say. The 8-speed settings made it easy to get just the right consistency, and the stainless steel build feels solid and reliable. This immersion blender has great power and quickly handles soups, sauces, and smoothies without needing to drag out my big blender. Easy to clean, everything but the motor goes into the dishwasher, and that is smooth enough to easily wipe down. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Power Deluxe Hand Mixer. Tired of searching for your mixer attachments? This hand mixer comes with a snap-on storage case. It holds all the included attachments, so you'll never misplace them again. The Hamilton Beach hand mixer has everything you need to start mixing. It includes 2 traditional beaters and a whisk, all of which are dishwasher safe. The accessories store neatly in the included case. This hand mixer is designed to keep your kitchen clean. It has a slower first speed to prevent splattering. It's perfect for folding in dry ingredients or combining liquids. With 275 watts peak power, this mixer makes mixing easy. It easily mixes and whips ingredients for your favorite recipes. Whether you're adding nuts or making meringue, it can handle it. This versatile hand mixer has 6 different speed options. It also features quick burst at any speed. It provides an extra burst of power when you need it. What we like. This hand mixer is designed for convenience and ease of use. The included storage case keeps all the attachments organized and prevents loss. If you like a tidy kitchen and easy access to your mixing tools, you should consider this. What people say. This mixer is a good buy. I find it to have sufficient power, and I like that on low speed it is markedly lower. So many of the cheaper mixers have speeds that are hardly distinguishable from other speeds. A nice plus is the mixer can be stood up on its end. It comes with 2 types of beaters. One that is a whisker and the other 2 are your standard kind. It has halved my preparation time for baked goods, and I also find it useful for other miscellaneous things while I'm cooking as well. This one is sturdy and beaters are easy to put in and take out. Works better for stiffer dough. Number 2. Poseeruiz hand mixer with bowls set. This is the perfect set for any home baker. It combines a powerful hand mixer with a complete set of mixing bowls and measuring tools. It's everything you need to get started in the kitchen. The 200W motor and 5 speeds let you tackle any mixing task. You can easily find the right speed for every recipe. The attachments are dishwasher safe and easy to remove. It includes 4 stainless steel mixing bowls in different sizes. These bowls are perfect for all your mixing, whisking, and prepping needs. They are also easy to clean and store. The set comes with measuring cups and spoons for accurate baking. They are made of food-grade stainless steel and are rust-resistant. They are also easy to read and use. This versatile set is great for baking and meal preparation. The bowls nest together for space-efficient storage. It's a must-have for any kitchen. This product has been recognized by over 150,000 users. It's the best choice for a family hand mixer with mixing bowl set. It is recommended to clean with a cleaning ball plus dish soap before first use. What we like. This set is a great choice for both beginner and experienced bakers. It includes everything you need for mixing and measuring. If you are starting your baking journey or need a complete set, you should consider this. What people say. The sizes of the bowls are near perfect. I love the attached leveling knife. This was a bright idea. Plus, everything is easy to clean. Very easy to use, nice fit in the baker's kitchen, easy storage, great power, and works excellently. Number 1. 5-speed hand mixer with bowls set. This versatile set is a great kitchen gadget for baking, cooking, serving, mixing, and preparation. It includes a handheld electric mixer with multiple attachments, nesting mixing bowls, measuring cups, spoons, and other baking tools. All stainless steel attachments are dishwasher and fridge safe. The 200-watt motor and 5 speeds meet most mixing needs. It starts slow and then increases speed for optimal consistency and to prevent messes. All settings are thumb-operated, making it very easy to use. The set includes different size nesting bowls to meet your demands of mixing, marinating, or washing. These bowls are easy to clean and are stain and taste resistant. They are also dishwasher, refrigerator, and oven safe. The set includes metal measuring cups and spoons with clear markings to help reduce measuring errors. They are also attached to a removable ring for easy reach. This baking tools combo offers space-efficient storage. It is a great present for bake lovers, new homes, birthdays, Mother's Day, and Christmas. It is recommended to clean with a cleaning ball and dish soap before first use. What we like. This set is a great choice for both beginner and experienced bakers. It includes everything you need for mixing and measuring. If you are starting your baking journey or need a complete set, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to use. It's lightweight. Exactly like photo. Can be stored away easily. Love my mixing bowl. Great product. Finally got a chance to test it out. Amazing. Bought these for my baking really just for the hand mixer, but it came with the other essentials and they work well. There are no lids, the different sizes of the bowls come into great use, easy to store and very easy to use. Love that it came also with the measuring spoons and cups. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.